Hey, I'm Brett. In this video, we're going to take a look at the 3 different packages available for the Weebill LAB and then dive into all the little goodies that you get with each of them. Special thanks to Zhiyun for sponsoring this video. First up is the standard package. With the standard package, you get the Weebill LAB tripod mount, 2-in-1 Arca/Manfrotto quick release plate, lens support, batteries and charger, an assortment of cables for connecting your camera, and a foam briefcase. A really good foam briefcase too. Things get a little bit more interesting with the creator and master packages. Both of these packages give a comprehensive set of tools for shooting in a variety of different environments. Let's dive into the creator package first. There are some incredibly practical accessories included with this kit. Most notably, the trans-mount phone holder. This holder takes advantage of one of the biggest features for Weebill LAB, image transmission. With this mount and your phone, you essentially have an external monitor wherever you go. The mount fits phones up to 6.5 inches tall, which covers most every phone on the market. It has a nice metal build and it easily adjusts to any angle you like. It also folds away for storage. Also included in the kit is the trans-mount mini monopod. It's really thick, can hold a bunch of weight, and it's pretty comfortable to hold. You can use it for extended low-angle shooting, vertical reveal shots, high-angle shots, etc. But wow, is this thing short? Like, why is it even this short? It's so you can easily use it with the trans-mount multifunctional belt, another part of the creator package. You simply unscrew the bottom of the monopod and hook it on to the multifunctional belt. While you're wearing it, duh. There you go, buddy. Once it's connected with the Weebill LAB, shooting becomes a very comfortable experience. By anchoring the Weebill and monopod to the belt, the weight of the gimbal setup is more evenly distributed across the body, which relieves pressure off of some of your joints. This is going to be huge for events, weddings, long production days, or folks who simply want a more ergonomic shooting experience. I gotta say, the belt itself is incredibly comfortable. It has room for plenty of adjustment and fits easily under clothing so you can stay classy looking while you're shooting. The belt is also equipped with plenty of lash points for carrying additional gear. Also included in the creator package is the trans-mount zoom and focus motor. This motor easily attaches to the front of the Weebill and provides a simple way of controlling your zoom and focus, even if you're shooting on manual lenses. There are a whole number of features to this motor, and getting it set up takes a few steps. So I have a video coming that's just about this motor. Stay tuned. The last part of the creator package is perhaps my favorite. That's these quick setup trans mounts. There are 2 of these in the package, and they provide a super quick way of swapping accessories on the Weebill. Using an all-metal design, switching from upright mode into sling mode is an absolute breeze. It comes with 2 full sets of these, so you can easily add them onto something like the included mini monopod and etc. They are very secure too. So that covers the creator package. And then there's the master package. It has everything we've seen so far, plus this multifunctional gimbal bag. The exterior of the bag has dozens of lash points, making it easy to attach accessories and carry tons of external gear. It's absurd how much gear you can carry on this thing. Now the bag comes with a few accessories that you can mount anywhere to the exterior of the pack. This handy pouch can be used for water bottles or your tripod, and there's another pouch meant for securing your Weebill to the exterior of the pack. There are several pockets for carrying looser items like tools, batteries, etc. There's a top handle for easy carry, rather thick padding on the back for comfort, a removable waist strap, and adjustable chest straps. There's rubber feet also on the bottom to prevent contact with the ground, and the pack also rests upright with ease. The pack itself is made out of a surprisingly rigid, crush-proof material. Seriously, I can bear hug this thing, drop it, and karate chop it all I want, but it barely does anything. Once opened, boy is there a ton of space inside. We have a compartment for a laptop, a roomy compartment for holding a gimbal like the Weebill or Crane 3 Lab, several pockets for carrying loose items, and an adjustable shelving system for packing your gear. Once packed, gear feels very secure in the bag. The master package in the included bag is an all-in-one solution for creators on the go. So those are the new packages for the Weebill Lab. In my use so far, everything is well built, it's highly functional, and some things are just downright cool, like these quick setup trans mounts. Now, don't worry, if you guys buy this standard package now and decide that you want these accessories later on, ZHIYUN is going to be selling accessory-only bundles for the creator and master packages. That's it for me today, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, question, and subscribe because there's some awesome videos coming on the Weebill Lab and more, and you don't want to miss it. Until the next one, I'll see you.